Hello there guys, it's CoolFox over here, and today I'm bringing you an unboxing and review of the Redmi Airdots. So before we start off with the unboxing, I would like to thank Gawd for sending out these earbuds, and as you will see down in the description there is a 30% discount code, so apart from these being a very cheap pair of earbuds, you can get them for even cheaper. So starting off with the unboxing, on the front you have a picture of the earbuds themselves. You obviously have the model name and also the brand here, which is a sub-brand of Xiaomi. Here on the side you will find some more Chinese writing, but it basically states that these have Bluetooth version 5.0, so obviously you're getting the latest version here as well. On the back it is all written in Chinese as well, but basically what this states is that these have a 300 mAh battery, they charge in around 1.5 hours and have a wireless range of around 10 meters, which I will test out in this video as well. First you'll need to cut off this piece of tape, and once opened up, as you can see inside, you'll find the earbuds here on the side. Then you will find two little compartments here, and checking inside the first compartment you will find the extra set of ear tips, and on the other side here you will find the manual. So first off, here going through the manual, you can tell that this is all in Chinese. Looking at the extra ear tips here, you have a set of smaller ones and a set of bigger ones, so you will be set if you have a different preference. And now taking a look at the earbuds themselves, first you have a small little plastic protector on the top here, and putting that to the side you will find the case itself with the Redmi logo here on the top. And apart from that, throughout the whole box you can see that it is quite sleek, very matte, and also overall it does not attract a lot of fingerprints, and I have to say that I'm quite a big fan of the case itself. Here on the back you'll find the micro USB for charging, and sadly yes, this does still take micro USB, but that is a small setback considering the price of these earbuds. Opening up the case you'll find the earbuds inside, and here taking one out you can see that they have a piece of plastic protecting the touch area here and also the contact points here for charging, and this is obviously to not damage the earbuds themselves. Okay, so once the plastic is removed you can see that there are little markings here on the side of the ear tips themselves, and this one here for example is marked with an L, obviously meaning that it's the left side, so you would know where to put it inside the case if you get confused, and also inside of your ear of course. And this one right here is marked with an R. So as you can see, once you put them inside the case they will start charging, since they have a little indicator on themselves as well. And sadly there is no battery indicator on the case, so you can't really tell how much charge is left on the case itself. Apart from this, what I'm seeing here is that the right ear tip has a brighter LED compared to the left one, so there are a few imperfections obviously considering the price, but other than that I would say that these have quite good build quality, and even the case here does clamp with quite a good amount of force as well, so overall I am very impressed with the build quality of these earbuds. And now moving on to sound quality and how to use these. First of all, you need to take them out of the case. You will see that they will go into pairing mode immediately. They will make a little jingle, which means that they have connected to each other. And then when you go on to pair a new device on your phone, you'll find one of the earbuds here, and once you connect to that it will automatically connect to both earbuds since they are paired to each other. And once that is done you can see that the LEDs turn off by themselves, obviously to show you that they are connected and that they have finished searching for a device that can connect to them. So for the price it will be very hard to beat these, as they have really good sound quality. I did find that they have a good amount of bass, and the highs and mids are also really good, so overall I would say that for the price of 20 euro these are pretty much a steal. Now apart from that, the only problems you will find is that it does not come with a charging cable, so this is a very small problem though, since many people already have a micro USB cable at home. As for comfort, these are pretty comfortable, and as for the range, I did manage to get around 46 feet away before they started to cut. Apart from that, they do look pretty good on you, they do not stick out too much, and they are pretty sleek when they're inside your ears, so you will not have any problems with the form factor and comfortability here. So something that I found to be very annoying with these earbuds is actually the button located on the back here, and that is because they are first of all very hard to press, and they only serve two functions, which is pause and play and activating Google Assistant. So apart from that you cannot skip the tracks, you cannot change volume, so that is a bit of a letdown. And I know that there are some button remapper applications, but from the manufacturers all you can do is pause and play and activate Google Assistant. And apart from that, as I was saying before, since they are very hard to press, they will move around inside your ear, and basically they might even hurt you if you press around too hard, so you will need to be attentive when using the buttons on the earbuds themselves. So apart from the earbuds, you can also buy a few other accessories such as a case here, and Banggood were kind enough to send me one in red. And obviously here I will show you the installation process, which is very simple. All you need to do is put this on the top here, make sure that it fits in well, and then put this one on the bottom here and make sure that it lines up correctly with the charging port. And once that is on, make sure that it fits in well and that everything is nice and precise. And then you can see that it will slip around less on tables, obviously, since this is made out of silicone, and therefore it will provide you a bit more shock absorption as well if this falls on the ground or if you hit it somewhere. And these are also very cheap, around 80 cents, which you can also find on Banggood. Links in the description below. And basically this is just a very cheap way to protect your earbuds. So I hope you enjoyed this video, guys. If you did, please leave a like and subscribe for more content. I would encourage you to check out the links down in the description and also use the coupon codes. This was CoolFox and I'm out. Peace.